In today's video, I will guide you through the process of removing your end-to-end encrypted chat backup pin on Messenger. Let's begin. Launch the Messenger app on your device. You will land on the chat section. Access settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings gear icon. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. Go to End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Manage Secure Storage. Under the Manage Secure Storage section, select Turn off Secure Storage. Confirm your decision. Keep in mind that turning off secure storage means any new end-to-end encrypted messages will not be backed up remotely, and you will lose all your messaging data on Messenger. If you are certain, tap on Continue. With that, secure storage is turned off, and your PIN for end-to-end encrypted chat backup history is also removed.